Dr. Luana Colloca is an international expert in the fields of pain and translational symptom science. Her work has significantly advanced the fields of placebo effect and nocebo effect. She first became interested in the placebo effect and pain management in medical school.
The first decision was to do something related to human research. So I switched from animal research in rats and hippocampus lesion to human research, deep brain stimulation in Parkinson. So the goal was to try to understand how placebo effects can affect the neuronal discharge. In doing that, I was somehow mesmerized to see how the spike of neurons can change when patients were preconditioned with a sham apomorphine, that is an agonist releasing the symptom of a Parkinson's patient. So the goal was to try to understand why eventually expectation can be so critical in changing activity in the brain.
Dr. Colloca's body of research has been published in more than 200 papers in high-impact medical journals and cited more than 19,000 times. She joined UMB a decade ago and has secured multiple National Institutes of Health awards, including several R01 grants and an R21 grant. She is an empowered, distinguished professor.
The fact that somehow UMB has this unique ability to be rigorous and friendly at the same time, there is a synergy and ability to be collegial, collaborative. All this has made UMB a wonderful place to expand my line of research. Also, I would like to mention that as an empowered distinguished professor, I get to collaborate very closely with University of Maryland College Park. In that sense, we expand our research from purely clinical related and neuroscience related to more digital therapeutics involving engineers and other colleagues with different skills to somehow translate what we do in the lab in terms of strategy to mitigate pain into solutions that patients can use directly at home, such as the virtual reality.
Dr. Colloca's innovative research has made substantial contributions in the field of pain management and has had a profound impact on clinical practice and public policy. Her commitment to education and mentorship has nurtured the next generation of researchers and clinicians.
Often when we are young, we wish outcome, rewards that are immediate, but sometimes we need to be able to wait and persist and spend the time to research. So as a scientist, I enjoy so far very much collaborating with my colleagues at UMB and across countries. So I think it's a very wonderful career where we can learn from one another and begin proactive. It's always relevant, in seeking more knowledge, more advice with an humble attitude to science.